Hey everybody, I'm Alabama Boss, and this is Deep Fried. Today we're gonna make a little dessert, and we're gonna deep fry it. We're gonna be making ice cream sandwiches, PPICS, a pecan pie ice cream sandwich. I think we've all had a few of these little things in our lifetime. Some of us have had a couple dozen. Either way, they're delicious. We're gonna make them deliciouser. This is pretty straightforward. We got our little pecan pies, we got a wet batter, and what we're gonna do is batter a couple of these up and take them straight over to the deep fryer. We've got her at about 375 right now. Shouldn't take them long at all. It's not gonna take these long. All we wanna do is brown the batter on the outside. Flip them on over. Get that other side good and brown. Oh yeah, looking good. These babies are done. It's time to move them over to the table and get the ice cream on them. Ice cold. Okay, we've let these things cool down just a little bit, so now it's time to put these pea pie ice cream sandwiches together. All right, we're gonna take our first one here. What you wanna do is just kind of push this down in the middle, crush it in just a little bit, because it's gonna be bulked up. We're at deep fried. We went with the old vanilla. What we'll do, we'll just set that down in there like so. All right, that's a good base layer, but we're making an ice cream sandwich, deep fried style. So we wanna get a big mountain of vanilla right here. You know what? I think I'm gonna go one more scoop because who wants to die of old age? We'll mash this in just a little right here. That way these things come together nice, make a nice ice cream sandwich. Boom! That is the pecan pie ice cream sandwich. The verdict is not in until I try it. Let's see what we got. Oh, this ice cream is so cold. Oh, these nuts are busting with flavor. But I only want half, but I gotta take it all. Son of a bitch. Hey, home run. I took that first bite, those nuts punched me right in the mouth. I mean, it was amazing. That cold ice cream, those warm nuts, everything about it. Well, there you have it. That is a deep fried pecan pie ice cream sandwich, and holy shit, is it good. Everybody out there should try this. I'm Alabama Boss, Rated Red, and this was Deep Fried.